How to see who viewed your TikTok profile. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can easily see who viewed your TikTok profile. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to see who viewed your TikTok profile, simply go and open up the TikTok application from your phone, and from the TikTok homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right, and then simply go and tap on this three dot line at the top right, and then simply go and tap on the settings icon. And once you're here inside the settings and privacy, scroll down, tap on privacy, and then scroll all the way to the very bottom, and you'll get to see the viewers. You just need to go in and tap on this and make sure to enable this feature, viewers history. And once you have enabled this, from now, if you go to your profile, inside the profile, just refresh the page and you'll get to see the step icon at the top. You can tap on these and you can easily see who actually viewed your profile. These people are actually viewed my profile, and this is how you actually can see who viewed your TikTok profile on your phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.